Hey there, hi. My name is Vidya and today with me you will be learning your very first German lesson in Deutsche Welt channel, that is introduce yourself in German, stellen Sie sich vor auf Deutsch. If you find the language to be a little confusing in the beginning, please do not worry, and most importantly do not give up, because I am here to help you with all your queries, and I will be doing that by answering all your queries that you put in the comment box below. Do watch the video till the end. If you find it useful, like the video and do not forget to subscribe to keep learning more. So let's begin by learning how to say hello in German. There are different ways of saying hello. One of them is hallo, hallo, and the second one is grüß Gott, grüß Gott. The third way of saying hello is moin, moin. And if you wanna say hello to someone you work with or a person you are not very familiar with, you would say guten Tag. Literally translated as good day, is the most widely used phrase to say hello in a formal manner in Germany. And next, let's see how to say your name in German. Again, there are formal and informal ways of saying your name in German. If you want to tell your name to somebody informally, you say ich bin and then your name. So, ich bin Vidya. That is my first name. And then you want to tell your name in a formal way. You say mein Name ist, and then your first and the last name. So I would say mein Name ist Vidya R. And next, if you want to tell somebody where you are from or your place or country of origin, you would say ich komme aus and then your native place, right? So I would say ich komme aus Indien. And next, let us see how to tell someone where you currently live. You would say ich wohne in and the place where you currently reside. So I'm gonna say ich wohne in Bangalore. Now let's learn how to tell your age to somebody. You would say ich bin, your age, Jahre alt. Okay, so let me tell you my age now. Ich bin 16 Jahre alt. Now, if you want to tell somebody what you are currently doing, that is, whether you are a student or you are a professional, you would say something like this. Suppose you are a student, you say ich bin Student or ich bin Studentin if you are a female. And if you are a working professional and you work somewhere and you want to tell people what your profession is, you say ich bin, your profession, von Beruf. So I am going to say this, ich bin Ingenieurin von Beruf. And now, how do you tell the name of the firm you are currently working in? You would say ich arbeite bei and the name of your firm. So I would say ich arbeite bei Amazon. Let's see how we can talk about our hobbies. There are multiple ways. One way could be ich, your hobby, gern, which means you are fond of something. If I want to tell that I am fond of reading, I would say ich lese gern. Okay? And another way of saying is mein Hobby ist lesen, which means my hobby is reading. And if you want to mention multiple hobbies, you would say meine Hobbys sind Lesen, und reisen, which means my hobbies are reading and traveling. Now, let me introduce myself in German so you will get an idea of how you can do it yourself. Right? So, I would say, Hallo, mein Name ist Vidya R. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Bangalore. Ich bin Ingenieurin von Beruf. Ich arbeite bei Amazon. Und ich bin 16 Jahre alt. Ich lese gern. Danke. Hey, we are now done with the self-introduction part. Now it's your turn to go through the video all over again, revise what we have already learned, take up the test, and do write in the comment box about your introduction, where you come from. I would love to know who you are. And thank you for watching the video. Keep learning, stay connected. Bye.